Okay, today is 15 minutes later. I just shot a long video about this JVC RC 555JW, and I went through all kinds of hoo-ha about it, playing this via line in, showing how the radio does not work very well, if at all. Only on AM can I get a few things, but the key point that I did not show off about it is that while the cassette deck will record off of the internal microphones and it will record off of, you know, the line-in stuff here, alright, and I've had this radio, you know, again, these two marks right here, this little white mark and that little white mark up there, okay, are in this video. Let's put that back up. Where is it? Here's this video that I made, here. I made this video 10 years ago, alright? I made this video 10 years ago. Here, let's just take it off the tripod. It's a lot easier to manipulate than try to sit back there and do all that, alright? Here, move the mouse, get out of the way. Alright, I made this video, here. Okay, gotta go full screen. The only way to show it off best. Alright, there we go. So, okay, where is it? Okay, see that white mark right there? And see the other white mark right there? Well, this is the very same radio, okay? Again, here is that happy white mark, and here is the corresponding white mark to that video that I shot. Now escape on the king and zoom into the date and name of the video, and yes, I'm Decent Man for you, have been for years, okay? But now, like I said, okay, where's that? Here, this is what I need. This is the one I really like a lot better than that one, mostly because it plays tapes, but they both play tapes. Let's see, eject, which is that button there, okay. Yeah, so, okay, so there's that. Get this out of the way. Alright, so now, let's see, and this is running on batteries, not going to go through all that again. So here's that. Kick this tape out. Oh, here, let me show you this just for giggles. Alright, so hit play. So it does that, okay, so it does that. Wait, there's nothing on the tape, but we can fast forward it, okay. So it goes about that fast with that tape. And we have to hit stop, and then we can go here and hit rewind. It goes about that fast with going that direction with that tape. Okay, and then also, if we go far enough back, let's see, we're rewinding. We're rewinding on batteries, okay? I just want to point that out. So now we should be back to something I recorded. So let me hit play. So there's something. And hit stop. Yeah, okay, we hit stop. Great, kick that out. So now I'm going to put in a music tape so you can hear a piece of music briefly. Alright, so let's hit play. So, and that does that, and there's the full tone, okay, and I don't want to get in trouble with that drum beat stuff, but you should know that that's New Order by Substance, or Substance Album by New Order. And here's the eject button. Let me flip it over and play whatever is on the other side. Turn the volume down, the volume works, there's no scratchiness in the sound. Here are the controls right there, your basic stuff, more basic stuff. Was that focused? Okay. And this is running on, this has, you know, good grief, has AM, FM, all that stuff there, shortwave tuning knobs and such. I'm tired, it's a long day. Shot a bunch of video. This is your, what, your microphones, your line in, headphone jack, your external microphones, your DC input, which is rare on a model like this because it also has an AC input and a voltage change gizmo, your shortwave fine tuning, your regular tuning knob, and it is that model right there, okay? So it's that model right there. It sucks, yes, I said that, it sucks 12 watts of power from the wall socket. It only takes 9 volts to run it, and it puts out approximately 2.5 watts per channel. And if I can spread my fingers and do this, let's see here, there we go. I'm running it on my lithium LPO or lithium ion batteries, okay, which are 1.5 volts. They're a high-tech battery. Better than your, I'll just end it with this. Where does it say it on here? These are Zintner batteries. They're 1.5 volt, but you charge them with this, and you go figure it out. These are about $12 each. Okay, so they work really good. So it's been 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. This has been sold. Thank you very much. I just wanted to show you that the tape deck works, whereas I showed everything else off in the other 14-minute video. Okay, so there it is. It's been sold. Thank you very much. Gotta go. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, let's see here. So I don't drop that. Let's just show this, because it does have a complete antenna. Oh, come on. I can't even get this thing out of here. Oh, okay, so there's the antenna. And the antenna goes, you hear that? It goes way up there. And it goes way up here to way down there. Fine, and it goes and snaps in place. That should be a sold thing, okay? But I can't repair the radio. I never have been able to. I don't repair radios. I'm only interested in repairing the cassette deck and the controls and making the cassette deck play music. I don't record on boom boxes. I only record on them to show that you can if you want to, if you absolutely have to, okay? But I don't. I record on my Nakamichi or my Denon deck, or any other deck that I still have that still works. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Bye-bye. Thanks. It's been sold.